Well, also seeing a huge increase in their services are the capital's pharmacists. They're seeing hundreds of patients every day, while people are advised to look after any possible coronavirus symptoms at home. Now, worried chemists say they've been completely forgotten by government as they don't have enough gloves or face masks to protect them from the coronavirus pandemic. Lynn reports.
It's good to be really busy. I must be honest. For me, it's been horrendous.
It's sometimes easy to forget that community pharmacists form part of the front line of the health service. For Ash Soni, that means unprecedented demands and now serious risks, because people keep ignoring advice about coming in with COVID-linked symptoms.
As a pharmacist, I feel that it's not if, it's when. Because I think that we are so exposed that the likelihood is that we will all get it.
This place is having to adapt to the world we all now live in. Queues all the time, one in, one out, and a non-stop workload.
The sheer number of people, the sheer amount of prescriptions, the demand on service, the almost desperation sometimes from people, oh, it's my prescription already. The number of phone calls, you can hear the phone ringing, it doesn't stop, it's constant. We have 2 lines.
Yet staff here feel they've been forgotten about. The government and media attention has focused on GPs, nurses and doctors with regard personal protective equipment, or PPE. Yet Ash says pharmacists across London have told him they desperately need supplies of PPE now.
We're going to see more cases of suspected COVID. We're seeing that in the hospitals saying one of the reasons they wanted more kit was because they didn't know that every person that walked in wasn't a carrier. We're in the same position. We don't know that every person that's walking in isn't a carrier. That can't be right. Surely it should be delivered to us. I know the government's saying they will, but we need it now. Not next week, not the week after, today.
As the outbreak intensifies, Ash has now recruited more staff. With the risk they say they're facing day in, day out, the months ahead will be a challenge like never before. Lynn, BBC London.